The single leg press trains your quads and glutes. Lie down and put your right foot through both ends of the band. Hold the middle of the band with the crook of your left elbow. Support your arm with the other hand. Then do the leg presses. Power will come from both your quads and your glutes. Switch your feet, then your arms, and torture the other leg. The single leg press is a good replacement for the Bulgarian split squat. As you don't have to worry about balance, you can apply a lot of violence. The band is doubled up, so this is probably around 200 pounds of resistance. Brace your hip and your lower back.